Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our new grill for the 66 Ford Fairlane. Chances are if you own a 66 Fairlane, the grill has seen plenty of wear and tear after 55 years on the road. Dennis Carpenter knew this and set out to bring out a brand new grill made from new tooling to refresh the look of these classic cars. Our new grills are made exactly like the Ford originals for an easy, trouble-free installation. An added bonus of being stamped from brand new tooling is that it gives these grills super crisp details that will set off the curb appeal of your restoration. Each grill is stamped from high-quality aluminum, then they are bright anodized for durability and long life. They come with the upper and lower trim bars installed and feature black painted accents just like the Ford originals. Replacing your damaged or weathered grill will brighten up the front of your Fairlane project for an instant facelift. Our 66 Fairlane grills do not include the center emblem or bezel, but they are available separately to finish off your grill upgrade. You can find this and many other quality restoration parts for your Fairlane at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date on our latest videos. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.